Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to schedule delivery on Wayfair. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to schedule a delivery on Wayfair. For large items like furniture, appliances, or bulky products, you can select a preferred delivery date and time window during checkout. If you need to change it later, that option is available, but it mainly applies to large deliveries rather than small parcels. Small items are usually delivered by FedEx, and since signatures aren't required, the carrier may leave the package at your door. You can leave special instructions by writing a note with your name, request, and tracking number. For large orders, once your item is shipped from the warehouse to a local delivery agent, they will contact you to schedule a delivery appointment, allowing you to choose a convenient date and time window. This ensures your large Wayfair order arrives exactly when and where you want it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.